Hey guys, welcome to PutnamFIVE. On this channel, it is our goal to explore the state of Michigan and hopefully encourage you to get out with your family and do the same thing. But today we are not in Michigan. Today we are south of the border. That's right, we are down in Indiana, Shipshewana, Indiana, at the, I believe it's called the Dutch Creek Animal Park. I don't know, I'll tell you what it is in a little bit. But hey, this is a great place to go with your family. We are having a good time here. We took a wagon ride. We've been seeing the animals, just kind of a petting zoo kind of thing, just a great opportunity. Then of course you're in Shipshewana, so you get to see some of the sights there as well. All right, yeah, I got it right when I told you before. You can see it behind me. Actually, this is the riding stable behind me, but Dutch Creek Animal Park in Shipshewana, Indiana. Fantastic time to come. Fantastic place to come with your family. Highly recommended. I don't think we've not recommended any place we've been yet.
Hold it flat. Hold it flat here.
There you go.
Just a little bit of context so you know what's going on. We are on a buggy here, on a wagon, and they just take you through. They give you food and give you an opportunity to feed the animals. They come right up here close to the wagon. Kids are loving it. far. This has been a lot of fun. Like I said, we were on the wagon earlier and you saw that, and now they have just kind of an area that's a petting zoo. You can feed the animals. You can go in with the goats. Just a great place to bring the family and the kids and interact with the animals. We are having a good time. Of course, it's a beautiful day here as well. We're trying something new today, so I don't know how this footage is going to come out. I gave the other camera to the kids and I'm letting them vlog a little bit. So I guess we'll see what they show you when I get ready to edit this thing. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't.
Hi. Hi. Hey. That was a deer. And there's an ostrich. You can't pet that ostrich, I don't think. Let's see if we can find a baby camel.
It was born in February.
Grammy, is it that one right there? There's monkeys climbing. See them climb? Hi, monkeys. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. That's a spider monkey. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, I think I see a green parrot. See it? Ooh, let's try to make it talk. I see another one that can talk. Hello.
Hey Benny, what did you like?
All of it, but the best part that I love horses and goats and feeding the animals. That was I liked it the best.
Yeah, what did you like?
I like the horses and all of the animals. That's what I like.
Should other people bring their kids here?
Yeah.
Olivia?
I like the goats because they made it. You can climb up a ladder, slide down, climb back up a ladder, slide back out of the pen. And I also like the voices. I love voices.
Get in here. All right, what do we have to tell them?
Subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell.
Thanks for having us. If you didn't get that, yes, you need to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you don't miss anything, and we'll keep taking you on our adventures. Thanks for watching.